questions and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more. Do you speak English?
I understand English, but I can't speak it well.
Do you like the English language?
Yes, I like the English language.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Germany.
Do you like German schnitzel?
Yes, I love German schnitzel.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have a sibling.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling.